Hello, this is MGS Pawan. In this video, we will be discussing Kset 2021 General Paper Part 1. This is Section 2. In the Section 1, we have discussed the few questions with a detailed solution, how it has come. And in this video, I will cover remaining questions. Before solving the question, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And if you like the video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, comment in the comment section. Okay, let's begin the section. 10th one. Given below are the two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other labeled as reason. Assertion A. Vaccine prevent and save many lives from threatening diseases. They prevent the entry of the disease causing a bacteria and virus into our body. In the context of the above statement, which of the following is the correct? So they have given the code like A and R. Since once you read this, vaccine is used to prevent the newly invading virus or the virus which has been identified, and they have discovered the medicine for that, and they are preventing the coming of the virus to the unaffected person. So that is the vaccine, you can say, if you have studied the biology. Out of this, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. This is the right option. Why? They prevent the entry of disease causing bacteria and virus into our body. Option A is the correct one. Next, in a certain code language, shoot has been coded as 12, 10, 17, 17 and 22. So I will write shoot word as 21, 10, 17, 17 and 22. Now we can see that this is an alphabetical arrangement, like I will write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A as I will number as A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25 and 26. They have taken as O as 17. So we can see here it has taken next to neighboring term value. This O has taken as next neighboring term as 2, and 21 was next again 21 next 2 digit value. So this has 2 shifted in the 2 terms. Next, H value is 8, again it has shifted by 2 terms number, that is 10. T as term which has shifted by 2, again 1 and 2, that is the 22. Now they have given telly, Tellly. T, as already know, T will take 22. Now E, shift E 2 times, 1, 2, that is the 7. Okay, next L shift by 2 terms, 1 and 2, so you will be getting 14, and Y has been shifted 2 times, so 1, again comes the A, there is no one more term. So this should be, y should be 1, x, y, z, 25, z is 26, and you shift z again, you should repeat from here. So the correct option is, if I take next term a as 27, so next term will be 27. So the correct option is D. Okay, let's go for one more question. Question number 12. The flower kept in the basket doubles in every 1 minute. So it is doubling for every 1 minute. Okay, if the basket get completely filled by flowers in 30 minutes, then in how many minutes 1 by 4th of the basket was filled with flowers? So we need to find at what minute the 1 by 4th of the basket was filled. Just go by reverse order. 1 by 30 minutes the basket was full. When 29 minutes come, it becomes half because it is getting every time double. Next 28 minutes, it again reduces to half. Half into half, this given fourth, which gives the 1 by 4th of the basket. So at 28 minutes we get the basket is 1 by 4th, 1 by 4th. So the correct option is C. Question number 13. The study of the following Venn diagram and find the region representing the persons who are educated and employed but not confirmed. Here they are asking to find the A dash. If I conjugate, they are finding complement, not conjugate, complement they are finding, they we have to find. So you can see in this Venn diagram, this represent the employed one and this tell the confirmed one. The term which contains this in this triangle is E and F are confirmed, whereas they are educated and employed. Since they are educated and employed, so the intersection of this educated and employees will give you this section. Okay, so it has the term B and D, not E, because it is a confirmed one. So the correct option is C. Next, go for question number 14. In the given figure, circle P represent the hardworking people, Q represent the intelligent people, R represent the truthful people, and S represent the honest people. Which region represent the people who are intelligent, honest, truthful, but not hardworking? So we need to find again the complement. In this case, you can see here P represent hardworking. So we have to find the intersection of the P which is not present. Which number is not present? Here Q represent intelligent. They should be he should be intelligent. He or she should be, and honest S, and R. What R represent? Truthful, but not hardworking. In this, the intersection term is here is the 6. So the correct option is A. Thank you for watching. Remaining questions in the next video. Please stay tuned. I will be uploading soon. So share with your friends. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.